Hello everyone. Welcome back to the past paper discussion. We are in fourth question of this series. Let's get started. As we can see, it is a geometry based question. Also algebra things involved. A straight line is given ABC and EB is also a straight line. BD is also a straight line. This is a diagram given to us. And here's some extra informations. EBD angle equal 5 times angle ABE. DBC angle is 3 times ABE angle. Now we have to work out for the size of EBD. Let's get started. First, let's interpret the clue. And when you see the comparison, both the angles are compared with AB. So this is the first unknown. We can just name it. Let ABE be X. I'm going to name this angle as X. Okay, for a convenience. Every time we can't write ABE. Then EBD is 5 times AB. So this is 5 times X as per the clue. DBC, this is my DBC, D to B, B to C. So this amount of rotation, the angle is 3 times ABE, 3 times AB is X, right? So 3X. And all these angles lie on a straight line. Now I have to make them into a math language. So since they all lie on a straight line, sum of all angles will be equal to 180x. 5x and 3x, all three angles should be equal to 180 degree because they are all in straight line. Okay, that is the reason. Straight line, all the angles lie. So now you solve this algebraically. X plus 5x plus 3x. All are like terms, you just add the coefficients 8x and plus 1x is there. Equal 180. 9x is 180. Our aim is to find the x. X is 180 divided by 9, which is 20 degrees. We got x now. X is 20. The common mistake we will do is we will stop whenever we got a value. But actually, x is an unknown, but this is not the final answer. We have to work out for EBD, right? So EBD is not just x. EBD is 5 times x. So this is what we are looking for. So we have to complete it. EBD is 5 times x and angle EBD is, we know x value also 5 times x is 20 degrees, which is 5 times 20, 100 degrees. This will complete the solution, right? That's a simple question which will give us 3 marks and it's quite easy too. That's a wrap for this video. We will be meeting with yet another video very soon. But in this case, if you have any queries or doubts, please drop a comment below and let us know. And that's it for this video. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you for learning with us.